Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message on Fiverr. Whether you're cleaning up your inbox or removing outdated conversations, this quick process will help you keep your messages organized and clutter-free. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account by entering your credentials. This will bring you to your Fiverr homepage where you can access all your account features and manage your communications. Now look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see the messages icon, which typically looks like a speech bubble or envelope. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with your recent conversations. From this menu, select See All in Inbox. This action will take you to your full message center where you can view all your conversations in one place, making it easier to manage and organize your communications. Once you're in the inbox, take a look at the left panel where all your message threads are listed. Find the specific conversation you want to delete. Here's where it gets simple. Hover your mouse over that message thread, and you'll notice that a small icon appears right beside it. This is the three dotted lines menu, which gives you access to additional options for managing that conversation. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A small menu will pop up with several options related to that message. From this menu, select Delete. This is the key action that will remove the conversation from your inbox, helping you maintain a cleaner, more organized message center. After you click Delete, Fiverr wants to make sure you're certain about this action, so a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. In this pop-up, you'll see a button that says Delete. Click on it to confirm your choice. Once you do this, the message will be permanently removed from your inbox. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a message on Fiverr. This simple process helps you keep your inbox clean and focused on the conversations that matter most to your work and client relationships. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.